Hey guys, TechFlash here. So we finally received reports of new Windows OS, which is being called Windows 11 because that's what comes after 10. Windows 10 came out in 2015, so this is a huge 6-year update, which we are hoping that will bring big changes. Microsoft has announced an event specifically for Windows, which will be held on the 24th of June of this year. On top of that, Windows 10 has officially received a retirement date, and there have been Windows 11 videos roaming around the internet, which gave us a first look into the new operating system. The first thing and the most noticeable feature is the appearance. There is a completely new setup when you're installing the new Windows, and you'll notice that we also get a preference list where you can custom choose a few preferences on how you want your experience to be on the new Windows. So if you're into gaming or business or creativity, you can select the options and hopefully your new OS will be customized accordingly. The biggest feature perhaps is the start menu, which is now located in the middle instead of the left. This menu is now more focused on apps and files, and it kind of gives me a little bit of a Mac OS vibe with all the taskbar applications down in the middle. You do have the option of moving the start menu back to the left if you don't like it, so basically making it a Windows 10 setup again. And if you haven't noticed, we have also a new set of wallpapers to choose from and new themes to choose from. Widgets have also been added, which is new to Windows, so we'll be able to see things like weather widgets, articles, news, clocks, and much more. A long overdue icon refresh has also been made, so you'll notice a new appearance on the folders. And I also noticed that the taskbar icons are now animated, which is great to see. Rounded corners were also seen everywhere, so instead of the straight edge design on the context menus, apps, and notifications, you will see our all-rounded design having been introduced, which looks much better. A few other improvements were made around multitasking, so you are now able to minimize and maximize your open tabs with different split views, and this feature is available across all apps on Windows. This is a great feature because it makes Windows snaps a little bit more user-friendly. So far, these were some of the new features and updates that we were able to see. The current version of Windows 11 may not be fully released, so we are waiting for the Microsoft event to fully see what more it will bring. The Microsoft event will be held on the 24th of June, which is just a few days away, so stay tuned for that. And that will be all for now. If you enjoyed, please drop a like and remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.